Hey there everybody, Steve the other chopstick guy. So we were just sitting at this really incredible scene. I mean, we had this amazing lake in front of us, just beautiful majestic mountains, and we were set up for the sunset. Now we sat in this parking lot for about 45 minutes hoping that clouds would come and just billow over these mountains, but you know what, we saw it was not going to happen. And here's the thing, it is never too late to change your plans, and that's what we ended up doing. Now you can see what's happening right behind me. We have just one of the most beautiful evenings here at Mono Lake, and boom, we arrived out here. We drove all the way down from the beautiful mountain scene, and we arrived at this. And we've been taking just killer pictures. So what I just want to say to you is sometimes you got to give up on a location and realize it's not the right place. Change your plans, head out someplace else, but don't give up on taking pictures for that time. But just change your plans and realize sometimes it's okay to change. All right, this is Steve with your Small Bite for today.